Well, check this out, man. Freaking AMC Eagle, I believe. It says on there SX4. It's another rare one to see in the yard these days. Damn. If you're wondering what that was, I was sinking in the mud there. Interesting little car here. Olympia AMC Jeep Renault Olympia Fields. Wonder where that's at. Is it missing? I think it's missing this area here. Bumper looks like it's got some issues. This popped out, boy. These, oh wow, it's like a urethane, you know, like a plastic. It's interesting. I didn't know that. Same here, yeah. Okay. Front end's gone. I don't know what that's at. Maybe in the back of the car, perhaps. This thing is all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. I think it's four-wheel drive, right? Missing all the badges on it though. Windshield looks good. No hail damage I can see on the roof. Oh yeah, a bunch of craps in the back here. This door. Oh man. Oh shit, I got some hinge problems going on here. Oh yeah. Door panel itself is dirty, but yeah, I guess you could clean it up. Tore this crap up. I don't think I want to sit on that. But she's got buckets. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 speed reverse. You can tell, man. Look like those keys have been sitting there for a good minute. They look like it. I don't know. Obviously, she's not gonna crank. Nope. No, she's not. I'm gonna take them out, but I can't do it with one hand. But yeah, that dash doesn't look to be cracked. Wow. Like I said, here in Texas, you know, got mileage on it. Craco. I don't think that's an original one, right? There's your hood release. Neat. Oh man. Another set of keys. Look, it's been sitting for a minute. Yeah, even indented there. I don't think nothing belongs to this car though. Oh, Tweety. Okay. Glove box, anything there? I mean, glove box, a freaking ashtray. Oh, nothing there. Glove box, select drive. Okay, it says select drive. I'm not sure how these work on these things. They're like was there a button or something on these, or a lever? Or was it like, oh crap. I gotta be careful. I'll bust my ass up here. I can't open it. It must be the, get back in there. Alright. Let's see. This key will work here. Oh, come on, really? It goes all the way through and it don't open, man. That sucks. Damn it. I doubt it's this one. Is it? Oh shit, it is this one. Yeah. There we go again. I can't. Okay, yeah. Okay, alright. Do they work? No, they don't work. These damn shocks. I mean, not shocks, but the strut deals there. You can tell it's sitting. Wow. There's a gas tank. And a spare. A radiator, there's a condenser, headlight bezels, What else? Speaker pod. I don't know what that is. Oh, there's the grill right here. Right there. He's part of it, I think. Plastics are not completely shot as they would be, but they're getting there. You can just scratch them and they start to disintegrate. All right. Man, I want to look underneath real quick on this one. Let me use this. Yeah. Actually looks pretty solid. I think, right? Yeah. Yep. All right. See here. I'm gonna sit right here though. Will this open? Let's see if this one will open it. Well, it turns it, but damn, it won't open it. Nope. Damn thing won't open. Let's try this one. And that one does not at all. So man, oh, that sucks. I'd like to see what's in there. Anyways, maybe this is a, what we got here? ARA auto air conditioning. ARA was a, actually I think they're still around. Aftermarket air conditioning system. I think that's what they did. I think maybe AMC, they contracted them to install the air conditioning systems in these cars. Because this was around for like, I remember at least in the 60s. Well, I wasn't around back then, but I know this stuff was around back then. This, ARA, I might take that. Dealer directory, huh? Guess you can see where all the dealers were back in the day. Yeah, look at that. What else we got here? 83 Eagle. Okay, that's what we got here, an 83 Eagle. What else? Headlight bezel. And we got ourselves a Chilton's for American Motor from 75 to 82. Got this one is an 80. As I said, what did I say? It's an 83. So maybe they're close enough. Let's see up here. Some old driver bits. I could probably still use these. Crap. And let's see. And I can't open the. Man, that's what happens when. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, we got. I don't know what that was. Hmm. $1960 something, 65, I think. It's an old quarter anymore. Let's look under the hood real quick, man. Okay, she don't want to stay closed. Like I said, neat little cars. Not sure which engine this is. There's some inline six. Ooh, I see a socket. Probably cheap though. Ugh. I think it's cheap. 13 mil. Yeah, I'll see if I can get. Oh crap! Can't go. Let me go around quickly, man. Ow. Okay. This is a 250 through 258. Yeah. Just want to see if it's, yeah, it's an 83, it says there. So yeah, man, that's what we got. For mostly the car was mostly all there, you know. I don't know what the deal was with it, but you know, it could have been, I mean, it wasn't in terrible shape. Back on this side. Yeah, she wasn't in terrible shape. There she is. Soon to be crushed though, man. Alright, man.